our video series on Tryback Page Builder. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to customize images, right? So let's get right straight into it. So where we left off from the last video, we stopped at this particular point where we just finished off updating the background color of our navigation menu and then the image here. So if you have not seen that video, you can just look for that video where we customize background colors and images. But right now we're looking at how to customize the image itself. And one thing I've always said, and I will keep emphasizing, is that these two tabs here are very important. Anytime you want to do a section wide edit, make sure you're on the first tab. And anytime you want to edit any element, individual element on the page, ensure you're on the second tab. So in this case, we are going to be updating this image right here, and we're going to be changing it into a different logo. So because this is not a section wide edit, this is a particular image you want to change, I'm going to switch my tab to the second tab, which is the style tab. I'm going to switch to the style tab, and that allows me to select the image I want to edit, or the text I want to edit, or the button I want to edit. So anytime you want to edit any individual element, ensure you are on the style tab. Anytime you want to change an entire section or edit an entire section, ensure you're on the section tab. I'm going to select this image right now, and then once I select it, it's going to give me an array of tools. The first one is that it allows me to drag it into a different position, but I don't want to do that right now. This one allows me to change the image. This one allows me to link the image to an external page, a different section on the page, and all of that. This one allows me to do a bit of customization on the page, on the image, right? I'm going to show you a bit more on that. This one allows me to do a bit more customization on the image, like border radius, positioning, border color, margin padding, and the rest. This one allows me to add a bit of an animation to the image. If you want it to slide in, slide out, and the timing of that animation. This one allows me to duplicate the image, and this allows me to delete the image. So I'm going to just click on this one, which is the image icon. That allows me, let me close this and show you that again. When I click on this image icon, it brings up the image itself, and I can actually resize the image as I want. If I want it to be a little bigger, I can reduce it here and make it 100, or I can increase it, make it 120 pixel. And if I want to change the image, I can click on this image that brings up my file manager, and I can select another image as I wish. But right now, I'm going to go to my uploaded tab, or where I've pre-uploaded some images from my system. I'm going to select this nice looking Salem logo. I'm going to click on apply, and voila, it's going to change to my image. That is how to change any image on the screen. But let's do a bit of more customization. So I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to select this icon right here that brings up the border radius. So if you can see now, the border radius is quite very sharp. So I'm going to select a 6 pixel on the edges of my image, just to give it a bit of a curve edges, and that is what I like it to look like. So I need it to be 6 across all the 6 edges, and that gives you that nice looking curve feel. So you can see that, right? You can make it more than that. If you want it to be a bit padded, you can do that. If you want to give it a border width, you can do that, but I'm not going to do more than that. So there's a long list of settings you can do here, but I'm not going to do anything more than that. So I just want to give it a nice looking border radius. That is how to customize your image. If you want to change maybe a background color and all of that, you can also still do that. You can give it a bit of a background color, and you can even link the image to an external page. So for example, you can link this image. When they click on it, you should go to Salem's Facebook page, facebook.com /Salem King, right? So you can do that. So that links this in to a new external page. You can also link it to the same page or another page on this website. You can link it to a video pop-up, which I'm going to show you in another video, and all of that. So that's as simple as it goes. You can change any image anywhere. Let me just look for another image and just do another change. So click on any image you want to change. Click on the image icon. It shows up on the left. Click on this image here. Look for the right image you want to replace it with, and you can do the replacement within a very few short seconds. I'm going to go to my uploaded tab. I'm going to select this nice looking ebook here. I'm going to click on apply, and boom, it has changed. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Click on the image icon. So when you click on the image you want to choose, click on the image icon to bring it up. Click on the image uploader here. It brings up the file manager. Look for the right image you want to replace it with, and then you can replace it. Select the image, right, and then click on apply, and it's going to replace it. That's how to change any of your images on your screen.